When I first joined Trinet Technologies, I did not know much. Coming from a non-tech background, I had only done a couple of technical courses and one internship before applying. I worked hard and prepared for Trinet Capstone exam, and it paid off. I got placed as a data analyst at Trinet. What surprised me most was how friendly everyone was from day one. Even without a tech degree, I never felt out of place. I felt supported. The culture here genuinely values growth and learning. Trinet is also recognized as one of India's most ethical companies, and you can feel that in how they treat their employees. If you are feeling unsure or think you are not qualified enough, give Trinet Technologies a shot. You might find your place here too.